This is the elevator here at Cherry Hill Mall in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. 2. Oh, you going up?
Yes.
What floor?
Thank you.
Second. I'm in first. Thank you. Yeah. I can imagine it'd be running boring.
Well, that was a rough stop. I believe this is a Schindler, although I'm not sure. Let's get a cab view. It's your basic elevator. There are security cameras in here. Hopefully I won't get caught filming. LL? Come on in. You going to 1 or LL?
1.
The food court.
Yeah, for
Oh, then you want LL. Sorry, my bad. Let's get a view of the indicator.
Do they work in the elevator?
No, it's just a hobby.
Is the food court in this floor?
No, it's on LL.
Rezando. Suplicando.
Go ahead.
Thank you so much.
You going up? Which floor?
Second floor.
1 or 2?
2.
No,
Oh, I mean 1.
One.
1, sorry.
No porque me falta esa ella, hija.
¿Eh?
Vas a acostar.
Oh, vine dormida, ¿no?
Te dije desde ese rato.
Ama, ahí era donde yo compraba la
Takes a
ropa.
second for it to start up.
Y no la.
¿Ya?
No se baja lo más. No lo baja mucho. A toda chueca. Cuidado.
Oh. Going up?
Down. Come over here because we went up that way. Over here.
Alright. And it will close up. There it goes. And that's it.